2025 Toyota Corolla wiring repair. That's this was tore up. This is for daytime running lights. Was tore up. I had to extend it. This is some kind of a Chinese something, but it works. On the driver's side, I switched the way it came. The positive should be just like that. The red is a positive. On this side, on the passenger side, it's actually on the bottom. On this side, it's on the top of the light. Well, this is how I do my wiring repairs. Mechanical twist, a hard twist. Well, this one I was thinking about soldering, but I think that it's gonna be better off just like that. It's got pretty tight, and when I pick them up, I usually use a double shrink tubing in the spot where I put the wires together, just to make sure, because sometimes if you use a single in places where you got a tiny bit of a wire being sharp, it will kind of push through the shrink tubing. So I always put one piece that a short piece that it's gonna be over the connection, and then a big piece that's gonna be, well, or actually in this case gonna be differently, but yeah, one piece that's gonna go all the way on it, and one piece to cover it for extra protection. Well, hopefully on this side I will not have to do the extension. Maybe just connecting the plug is gonna be enough. Well, that's wiring repair. And they want me to fix this sensor. Well, whatever. That's how it goes.